National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern McLean County in central Illinois, east central Tazewell County in central Illinois, southeastern Woodford County in central Illinois until 8:15 p.m. At 7:08 p.m., National Weather Service meteorologists detected a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from Carlock to Colfax and moving north at 35 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Carlock, Hudson, Goodfield, Lexington, El Paso, Chenoa, Gridley, Cropsey, Pleasant Hill, Congerville, Evergreen Lake, Lake Bloomington, Kappa, Weston, and Panola. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging wind in excess of 60 miles per hour, destructive hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 o'clock p.m. Tuesday evening for southern Illinois.
Severe thunderstorm watch number 530.